my volcano. And we're gonna learn how to make it. I got soap and water in the bowl. Then I'm gonna add half a quarter cup of baking soda into the bowl with soap and water. And then I think I'm gonna do it with my mixing spoon. Wait, I gotta get it close to up. Then you start stirring it. Scrape the baking powder off the edges. Really just stir it. Then you do 6 drops of red if you want just red. Whoa. Okay, I think that's enough. I accidentally sprayed. But that's okay. Now just stir it up. Okay, now I'm starting to look pink. But it looks the pinkish red. This is what it looks like. We're adding the mixture into the bottle. Gotta get it all in there.
Scrape that up.
It looks just like lava, almost. You gotta leave it on your fingernail.
Okay.
And this, we're adding the vinegar into the thing. Putting the rubber band on the bottle real tight.
And what is that going to do?
After we poke it, it will explode very large.
Why?
Because there's so much pressure.
Go.
Oh, that went up on the ceiling. Okay, we're putting baking soda, soap, and also vinegar in, but less vinegar, and there's going to be no pressure, no plastic. None of that hard stuff that I was doing. First we put the baking soda in. Come on, get it out. Now we put the soap in. Now we just drop this in. I hope I'm getting it right. Did all go in? Yes, it's in perfectly. Now what are we going to use to store it up with?
We don't need to stir it up. We're just going to pour in. What's the other thing we're going to pour in?
Vinegar!
And since there's no pressure, what's going to happen?
It will flow out calmly.
Flow out calmly.
And this one has hardly any.
Okay, get ready to stand up and walk away.
This one will not need to be poked.
Pour faster. More.
There
Okay.
you go.
Now,
And walk away.
Perfect.
Did I add a little too much vinegar?
Nope, you did great.